Hello, Chef here. I'm in one of the kitchens. I got an unusual ingredient for you. There we go. Do you know what those are? All right. Well, let's enlighten you. Here we go. These are rose hips. So rose hips are very unusual, and each one of these is packed with a bunch of vitamins, nutrients. Vitamin C. There's more vitamin C in this than in some oranges. So you know it's got to be good for you. I'm going to show you what I do with rose hips. These have been dried. I don't eat them, but I do take a couple of them, like these. These two look good. And I put them in the mortar and pestle, like this. And then just give them a little tap. Smash them up a little bit. Okay? There we go. All right. So now we're going to use this in a hot tea. All right. Got a glass here. Normally I use a tea mug or a tea cup. I just wanted to show you the glass and the tea I got going on here. So this is a really good, really strong green tea that I brewed. Oh yeah. Of course, I added some honey. I like tea with honey. I suggest you drink tea with honey to improve your health. Okay, we're going to put this rose hip in the tea. I'm going to give it a little stir. And we're going to let it steep, let the flavor release just for a couple of minutes. That's it. That's the whole video. If you need the mortar and pestle, you can get that at your sponsor. And cheers to your health. Rose hip green tea. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Have a beautiful day.